Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera or flashlight not working. First of all, close the camera app completely. Now reopen it and test both front and rear cameras. Next you will need to open the control center and test the flashlight. If the flashlight button is grayed out, the camera system may not be functioning correctly. Restart your iPhone and test again. You should also install any available iOS updates because software bugs can affect camera functions. If the problem only occurs in one app, check that app has camera permission enabled. To do so, click on the app and then you will see the camera option and make sure it is enabled. And that's it. Your camera and flashlight should work now properly. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.